101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, back again. Hi guys. Yeah, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program, namely Smart Up Your Life. Yeah, with BPEC and Smart FM, of course. And you know, this evening we have a friends from BPEC. Hi guys.
Hello, Kak.
Hi,
Hi.
Mr. Brian and Mr. Nahwi. And
Yes.
also we have a one. Okay, come here, join directly. Sit down, please. And the yellow one. Okay.
Oh.
Anyway, before we are going to talking about our topic tonight, we will talking about special topic, and this is a very interesting to discuss. But before we continue our discussion, I want let you guys to introduce yourself and introduce what is BPC itself. Okay, maybe from you, who is your name? Please introduce yourself to smart listeners.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Hello everyone. Back to meet me again. My name is Aldino Rizky. You call me Aldino, Dino, or Dindin. But
Dindin.
please, again, don't call me Dinosaurus.
Dindin Barinding. like song. Okay, unique name, Dino.
Yes,
Dino or
yeah.
Dino?
Dino.
No, Dino.
No.
Dino.
I'm not animal.
No, yeah. We are the same yellow,
Yeah,
right?
we are in the yellow side.
Okay. What about you?
Okay, hello everyone. This is Mr. Nahwi talking to you. Yeah, you may call me Nahwi. I'm coming from Goa. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Rian. You can call me Rian.
Yeah.
I'm from Makassar. Thank you.
Okay. Anyway, one of you guys, I want to ask you about what is BPEC. Could you introduce telling smart listener and viewers at home what is BPC itself?
Okay, yeah, thank you for the chance that given to me. So BPC actually stands for Benteng Panynyua English Club. So this is an English community located in Fort Rotterdam atau Benteng Rotterdam Makassar.
Yeah.
So we have English program in here, and then it's totally free of charge. So for those who want to improve or learn about English, please come. Especially, we have meetings every Sunday at 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Wow.
And yeah, it's free of charge and it opens publicly.
How about
anyone
the
can
procedure?
join.
How about
the procedure?
Yes.
Just come to Benteng Rotterdam, especially at Building J. You will find us in there.
Yeah. Okay. Next one. Come. We have one participant again here. Okay, come. Sit down, please. Directly. Okay. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, thank you so much for having me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Richard Siaya. I'm from BPC Rotterdam and I'm study at Hasanuddin University. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Richard.
to meet you too.
Anyway, our topic tonight consists of two words. But before I mention about the topic, maybe you can move a little, please. No. I mean like the here, because our color is the same. And maybe you can sit down here. Okay. Maybe you can sit down here. Okay. You can sit down. Okay. In 2045, our government have a future mission and vision to celebrate 1 century independence Indonesian. Our government have a vision to make our country as top 5, the biggest, one of biggest economic all of the world. It means that our country is make like a forward country. So the best solution, according to government, how to make it our country. The government put the resolution, the smart solution about it, doubly golden generation. Yeah, that's why this vision is menuju Indonesia generasi emas 2045. It seems it's very, very similar. That's why our topic tonight or this evening is golden generation. So are you ready, guys?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, giving applause first. Okay, we are like a party. You know, party? Party? Oh my god, it's a rare, it's a, kidding.
I'm neutral.
No, you're white. Anyway, I want to ask you guys, as Z generation is also include of golden generation. What do you think about golden generation on your mind? What is definition on your mind based your own words?
In my mind, gold generation is the best era or the most generation who born in there that time.
Yeah.
That time and a lot experience or maybe history in that era. So I think in my year of my born, like 2001, is the best era. I think that's gold generation because in that time,
Yeah, you will be a leader.
Yes.
The years.
Yeah, that's first.
Who knows?
First, the year changed from 900 to 2000. I mean 1100 to 2000.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that's era too. A lot story. Be come like like Taliban or ISIS.
Oh my God. Okay, keep your statement. We will continue.
Yeah, right.
I need to move to another speaker. What about you? What is your perspective? It consists of two words: golden and generation.
Okay, so actually there are a lot of definitions about golden generation, yeah?
Yeah.
But in my perspective, in my point of view, golden generation refers to a group of people,
Yeah.
especially the outstanding and skillful one,
Yeah.
that comes from certain generation or era. So yeah, I think that's my definition of golden generation.
Outstanding.
Yeah, a group of outstanding and skillful person.
Wow.
Sorry, people.
So, I mean, do you have a prototype of role model that you can mention to smart viewers or listeners that they are golden generation?
Because
Maybe
I,
us?
I love sport. Yeah, but I can make one of examples
Yes.
that such as Brazilian teams, football teams.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
As we all know that Brazilian teams was a great team at the time, especially 2006, if I'm not mistaken, because at the moment, our Brazilian team won the World Cup.
It sounds like
against-
Brazilian Jitsu. Hoi.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Nahui.
Sure.
Great. What about you? What is your perspective about golden
Okay,
generation?
could you,
You know, golden. We wearing golden sometimes.
no.
Sometimes.
You know, I've attending the
Yeah.
seminar about this golden generation because in 2045, Indonesia will celebrate 100 years
1 century.
Independent Day.
Yeah, right.
So, according to my perspective, I believe I'm so believe it. I totally believe that our generation will lead this world.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, we could be the superpower country later because, as you can see, we have a lot of natural resource,
Yeah.
especially the food and
Yeah.
the, like nickel, gold. Which country? Which country can beat our research? Can you say?
Yeah.
No one. I mean, we are not arrogant, but that's the fact. We need to accept. When I saw that our generation right now, there are a lot of things that they provide, like our government already provide our generation. For example, like ISMA program.
What is ISMA, please?
ISMA, it means like international. ISMA is to student exchange. From our university to abroad. And then like program magang Merdeka, Our KMMI credential mikro mahasiswa by kampus mereka, they provide us to learn other skill outside our subject, our major.
Okay.
So we all, I mean, we will know everything which we don't know before.
Okay. Okay. But anyway, we will continue our discussion after the commercial break. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia.